Hello everyone, I am Taruna Saini, PGT Commerce at Suraj School Bhiwadi. I am with Suraj Group of Education since 2012 and I am very happy with Suraj Group of Education that we are delivering education to children, and I think teaching is a very noble profession and I respect my profession and I am very happy with this profession, that where a person gets an opportunity to share the views with the lovely kids, and we are for the betterment of our country, and we can contribute something for our children. So firstly I would like to thank you all my parents, and I would like to welcome you all who are hearing my video. So today, as you know that child is a very important in everyone's life, and besides child there is no any interesting topic where we can talk. So today I want to talk with our parents about their role in child's life. I don't think that is there is anything important rather than the child for a teacher. So let's start. You are watching on the screen, I have written a letter A, then M, and then C. The meaning is asset maintenance contract. So as I am accountancy teacher, I would like to take the example of asset. So I want to start with AMC. So suppose there is any material, any physical things at your home, maybe it refrigerator, maybe it generator, or AC, or inverter, or anything, any mixie or grinder, whatever in the kitchen also for a mother. So whenever these things start malfunctioning or they get spoiled, we are in tension. इन्वर्टर अगर ख़राब हो जाता है या फ्रिज ख़राब हो जाता है तो हम एकदम से टेंशन में आ जाते हैं. हम तुरंत ही एएमसी को कॉल करते हैं, असेट मेंटेनेंस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, जिसमें हमें सर्विस प्रोवाइड की जाती है. हम तुरंत ही टेंशन में आ जाते हैं और तुरंत ही एएमसी को कॉल करते हैं. एंड इफ द पर्सन इज़ नॉट कमिंग टू आवर होम एंड नॉट हैंडलिंग दीज असेट्स, we just keep on calling, you are not coming, you are not repairing it, when will you come. We take worry of all these things, and I think in my opinion these all are physical things. These all things are are comfortable. These all things make our life comfortable, okay. But I would like to ask a question for you. Have you created AMC for your child? Have you ever called to any asset maintenance contract when the child is malfunctioning, or there is a change in the behavior of the child, or when the child behaves differently or he is at the wrong path? Have we taken the actions so seriously, just as we have taken the actions for our breakdown refrigerator or for the AC? Perhaps not. We have not taken. And I hope that your child is very special in your life. I am talking for a child of my class 11th and 12th. So go at 16 years back, when your child take birth. I think this is a very important event in every parent's life, when a mother gives birth to a child and when a father becomes a father. Then I think it is one of the most memorable event in anyone's life. At that time you arrange functions for your child, at that time you dance with happiness, and you think that everything you got and everything in your life is it is for that child, okay. And that person makes you feel very proud, that child makes you feel very proud. You will be very, you was very happy at that time, and you think that whatever I will do for my child. And whenever your child was a baby and then your child was talking to you, एंड देन यू टेक वेरी मच इंटरेस्ट इन दैट. आप उनकी छोटी छोटी स्टोरीज भी सुनते हैं, आप उनकी सारी बातें मानते हैं, आप उनसे डेली पूछते भी हैं कि स्कूल में क्या हुआ, हाउ आर यू फीलिंग, आर यू taking milk every day, you are also taking care of the fruits, you are also taking care of the food at that time. Means in my opinion, I don't know that am I right or wrong, but I believe that parents are more responsible in earlier than the later stages. When your child was of 1 year or 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, and so on, then I think as the child grows up, I think that parents think that their responsibility is getting over. The child is getting matured. Let him make independent. हम उसे independent छोड़ देते हैं. He will take care of himself or herself. This is my opinion only. And then as the child grows up, the child completes 10th class, then it is the parents' ambitions, parents' desires, and parents' expectation that they impose their expectations on the child. That take science, with maths you will be an engineer, take biology you will be a doctor, take commerce you will be a CA, take arts you will be an IAS, you attend coaching centers, coachings, you will be so and so. So I think whenever we talk about all these, the child is not thinking in the way. We are not thinking that the child is happy. We are not thinking what the child wants in actual. Is the child is taking interest in commerce? Is the child is taking interest in arts? Or the child is taking medical, non-medical? We never ask with the child. We don't have the time with the child to discuss. वी इम्पोज आर एक्सपेक्टेशन. हम डॉक्टर नहीं बने, मैं अपने बच्चे को डॉक्टर बनाना चाहूँगी. हम इंजीनियर नहीं बने, हम अपने बच्चे को इंजीनियर बनाना चाहेंगे. वी नॉट इवन हैव टाइम टू डिस्कस विद अ चाइल्ड. एंड इवन हमें उसका इंटेलिजेंसी भी नहीं पता है. वी डोंट नो वेयर द चाइल्ड इंटरेस्ट इज. Is he better at mathematics? Is he better at science? Is he better in Hindi? Is he better in English? These are our ambitions that we impose our feelings on our children. And whenever we get them admitting in a very good schools or very good institute, whether it's BETS Pilani or whether it is Kota, we think, as a parent, we think that our job is done. I want to ask my dear parents, whenever we admit a child in the school, so parents' job is done. Parents are not having any role besides the fee. Parents' responsibility is over. No, my dear parents. After admitting your child in a very reputed school or a very good coaching, your duty, your job is not done. It is just a beginning. It is the career beginning of your child. And in a child's life, I don't think that besides parent anything is important. Teachers are the guide path for your child, but until and unless the parents will not listen to their child's problem, to their child's interest, I think the wrong decisions can be taken. In my opinion, child's interest, child happiness, and child's focus, and child's his or her own mind कि वो क्या बनना चाहता है is far important than any parent's ambitions. A parent job is never done. For the child, we should always be there, whether child is of the age of 1 year or is of 16 years or of 20 years. Parents are always the guiding path for the child. In his or her decision, we should be there. But what happened when the child comes in class 9 or in class 11, then whenever any school complains or any teacher complains, don't mind, I am not applying these are only my views. I am not saying for a single parent. This is my general viewpoint that whenever a teacher calls to any parent or the mother complains about the child's behavior to the father, then the father always says that I am busy, don't call me, or I am busy in my work, and I am very tired now, and I don't have time, और मुझे ये syllabus नहीं आता, I cannot attend my child, I am illiterate, मुझे ये subject नहीं आता. So we generally remove our burden by saying that I am busy और ये मुझे नहीं आता है. So I want to ask you, as a parent, are you really busy? Dear mothers, are you really busy in your domestic work? Dear fathers, are you really busy in your office? Are you not giving time for your breakfast, for your lunch, for your dinner, for bathing, or for any domestic work? Are you not going to the office? Not attending any marriages? Not using WhatsApp? Not using Facebook? And not attending any phone calls? I think these all take more than 15 minutes. Are you going to the office for the full day? You are not coming to home. No, we are doing all these. But I want to ask, where is child's time in all these? Child, when we was 16 years back, when our child take birth, then we have done functions, we have done celebrations, we dance with our happiness. Then at that time we thought that whatever we will do, this is for our child, we are going office for our child. But my dear parents, your time is also important for your child. But I think if you are not giving the time, is the child not important now for you? Can't we have quality time for our own child? Can't we give 15 minutes or the 20 minutes or half an hour? When the child was a baby, we give time. And as he or she grows up, we don't give time. So I believe that if you will make your child your friend, if after coming to the office, you give some quality time, your effective time with your child, you share your past experience with your child, if you make your child comfortable, then definitely you are able to solve your child's problem, and your child will start sharing the problems with you. Generally we see that the child of 11th and 12th share their problems with friends. But why the child is not sharing the problem with the parents? जब हम पढ़ा करते थे तब बोला करते थे दैट इन ग्रेजुएशन मदर और फादर फ्रेंड बन जाते थे. बट नाउ अ डेज चाइल्ड इज़ वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, ही इज़ मोर कॉम्पिटेंट देन अस. जो हमें MSc MBA MCom में आया करता था, वो आज जो हमारी थिंकिंग थी, दैट थिंकिंग नाउ इज़ इन क्लास 11th स्टूडेंट. So why don't we make our child as a friend when he reaches in class 11? Why don't we ask his problems or her problems? Why don't we share time with our child? And for the academics, we also sometimes not follow, and we always give excuse that we don't know this particular syllabus, ma'am, I am very busy. And if mother complains about the child that the child is not studying for the full day, even then we take it very casually. But for a parent, the child is never casual. We cannot bypass our responsibilities to other person. A child is shaped by the combination of all the three members: parents, teachers, as well as society. So all we have to work together. At home we also have to give some responsibilities, we have to take care of some responsibility. Teacher also has to be extra careful during the adolescence age, and also the society people also take care of all these things, that whenever something is wrong, then we can stop the child in doing the wrong. Only then the child can be at the right track. This is not the child's fault. If the child is misbehaving or doing something wrong, it is not because of him. Somewhere on the part of the teacher or on the part of the parents, there is a problem. So my dear parents, I want to appeal you, request you. I don't think that I am right. These are only my viewpoints. So whenever you come from the office, I know that you are tired, you are busy, you have so many tensions about your economy, but you just take out 15 or 20 minutes for your child also. Ask your child simply one question, that what activities child has done throughout the day. Child will tell you that father, I play or I study, whatever. If he study, which subject have you studied? And if he studied, then ask the child to bring the notebooks, and you sign the notebooks also. along with the teacher. Nowadays teacher is signing the notebooks, then coordinators are signing the notebook, even principals are also cross checking the notebooks, principals as well as the directors signatures are there. I think that there should be a signature of parents also. Or if on daily basis, if there is any problem with the child, it will come in the notice with the parent that the child is in the problem, child is not completing the work, or child is completing the work, appreciate your child. And if the child is in the problem, then the problem will come to you. No, if you will do on daily basis, if you will do on daily basis, it will become routine. Child will be habitual. He will also have in mind that whenever the father or mother will come from the office, they will definitely ask what you have done. So child will also become habitual. Slowly and gradually the problems will be removed. When the child will face the problem, either you can contact with the concerned teacher, and also you can solve the problems where the child is having the problem, and then at academics he will be going better and best. So dear parents, when you come from the office, don't get tired, be energetic. Your job is not done. After coming from office, your job has started. Your home job, your job as a parent, your job to take care of your child. So give quality time to your child. Your child is very special. I think in parents' life there is nothing important for the child. Thank you. Thank you, parents. Thank you, my loving students. Thank you so much for giving the time to listen my video. Proud to join Suraj.